it's Emily. This is an Excel and Access workshop. Today we will go through how to write an if statement in Excel and Access working with numbers. Let me pull an Excel worksheet to start with. Let's use the nested if statement for the column B, commission 1. Okay. Alright, so nested if statement means I have more if statement inside a first if statement. Okay. Since I have two if statements, so I have to use this symbol to close it. Okay? So let me use the if statement with the AND function to get our commission 2. Okay, I just simply copy what I have written here and put an equal operator first. Then paste it and hit enter. Okay, so let me use the if statement with the wall function to get commission 3. Okay, remember to put equal operator and paste it. Alright, so this is a nested if statement with AND if statement with or function, and all the syntax is showing here. You can get the same results in Access too by using if statement. So let me pull our Access, this data, the same data we're using in Excel, and create a query first. Okay. Since we already write something in Excel, so we can copy this code. This is a nested if statement. And do some editing here. So remember first, the if statement in Excel, we use IF to get started. And in Access, the if statement start with IIF. So here we have to type one more I to replace the IF before we used in Excel. So all the IF has to be replaced by IIF. Okay. Now the second thing is the A2 refers to the cells in Excel, and you cannot click here. You see this error message, so you have to key in. Okay. So once you key in the first cells to replace A2, now you just can simply copy and paste to replace all the A2. Alright, okay, we got another error message. So let's see where it's wrong. So the Access highlighted here says percentage, which means Access will not take the percentage in their syntax. So we have to change it to the like this. That's a percentage. And here, and here. All right. Okay, for commission 2, let me copy the code here. And the first thing is we need to change IF to IIF. And A2, the same thing, we have to key in cells. And now we can copy this and paste it here and here. And we also know percentage is not a valid syntax in Access, so let's replace it with numbers. Okay, so we still have a syntax error. So the Access remind you the highlighted and, which means Access won't take and, put it here. So let's delete it and replace and here. Okay, so now this syntax without error message returns, which means it's correct. So let's copy this and paste it here. And we know the commission 3 is using or function. Okay, so let's change and to all. Alright, so let's run it. Okay, so now you see the results. The first line 2580129. So in Excel we have 2580129. The second row all the same, 13.4965 and 13.4965. Okay, so we have this if statement both in Excel and Access. The results are equal. Right, so let me show you the syntax one more time for both. Then this section is for Excel and this section is for Access. Okay, thank you.